Welcome to Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.
Hello, and thank you for clicking on the video of our Skoda KODIAQ. This is the SEL 1.5 petrol automatic, and it's in business grey metallic paint. As a standard on the SEL, the vehicle will come with 19-inch Sirius alloy wheels. You also get an electric tailgate. This is the 7 seats, but as you can see, with the 2 back seats folded down, you get a completely flat surface and an extremely large boot. The SEL comes with leather and microsuede upholstery, and this carries on into the front too. So the car currently has 5,937 miles on it. You have the multifunction steering wheel, cruise control on the indicator stalk. Here is the infotainment screen, and here are all of your options. The car does come with front and rear parking sensors. And then on the dual zone climate control air conditioning unit, you also have the options for the 2 heated front seats. Thank you for watching, and for any more information on this car, please call the showroom on 0208 686 8844. Thank you, bye.
Thanks for watching Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.